Eeny, miny, mo, hit the horror show. Hustling through the Texas air, that's the vibe. Weekend thrills, feel the chills, every corner glow. Biz adventures on the screen, AJ watch them. Southern style, walk the mile, creep flow.
Yes, I am Father Evil. I am the purveyor of sin.
To move and roar, the motifs on, lights out in the haunted road. Team moving, groove and let the story grow. Scares and laughs, hybrid path, y'all already know. Creep through the dark corridors, shadows. From Dallas to the big screens, we make a scene, yeah. Bumping beats and jumping frights, keeping it mean, yeah. Every jump scare, we're there in the midnight lean, yeah. Team AJ on the play, living the dream, yeah. Southern rap with that horror snap in a haunted stream, yeah. From convention floors to spooky doors, we reign supreme, yeah. A fright fest, we the best.
So we're in Texas, and I've been craving barbecue. We haven't got a chance to get the barbecue yet, but there's lots of Mexican food. So we ate at an amazing place yesterday, right outside the convention center. Today we're eating at a food truck. I get my quesadillas. My husband's getting a breakfast burrito. We're starting off the day right. We're gonna eat our breakfast, hang out, enjoy the day, because it's gonna be an awesome day before we have to get back on the plane, go back to New Orleans. But New Orleans, we do miss you, we do.
We're back at Living Dead Dolls, and I just wanted to show you, this is all they have left. Remember what we showed y'all on Friday, on day 1? Yeah, this is what he has left on day 3. People love these dolls. So make sure to check them out on social media, Living Dead Dolls. Holla at them and get one of these in your life.
So guys, we are at Collector's Crypt, and we just walked by and saw the little shop of horror. Feed me plants. This is awesome.
See more, see more.
Look at how, oh, and there's even a fly on the tongue on the, OMG. This is so creative. If we didn't have to go back on a plane, I totally would pick up one. We love Little Shop of
That's
Horrors.
why it's awesome that I'm flying.
I'm in Venus flytrap heaven. So today it is definitely a little quieter, but the crowd is still coming in. So we are excited to be here. It's day 3. It was honestly an honor to be here, and we're so excited. We can't wait to bring you more of Texas Frightmare Weekend.
Here's Johnny.
We're here with the Corpse Factory, and look at some of these bags. I mean, look at this. Look at the Frankenstein's monster bag. They got the Doctor and the monster. They even have Edward Scissorhands along with the Rocky Horror Picture Show. These bags are amazing, and they have other cool things too. Like the Halloween 3 dolls. So this is so cool. They even have one of my personal favorites, Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. So, if you ever see them at a convention, check them out. So also, they have the Texas Haunters Convention that is run by the same people who run this booth. And guess what? Supposedly this is amazing. We're going to try to get out there. We really want to be there. There's 2 events going on at the same time in this area, or this relative area. So we're probably going to try to check out both. If that's the case, we're going to make sure to bring it to you too as well. So, but if you're out there in this Texas area, check this convention out, because from everything I'm reading, because they're going to have Halloween vendors, cosplay, and all types of stuff, photo ops, special guests, you name it, they're going to have it. So check them out and head out to the Texas Haunters Convention. We will probably be there.
So guys, day 3, we're with someone really cool and special.
Oh, I think you got this wrong. I think you're with somebody who's really evil.
All right, I was trying to, make him nice, but I'm sure he's still nice. Let's go say hi to him and let him introduce himself.
Oh my, hello. Hello, sinners. I could smell your sins, and there's so many of you out there. Yes, I am Father Evil. I am the purveyor of sins. People, hire Father Evil if you want your guests to have a memory. And yes, I am ordained. I've done 17 weddings. I guarantee you, my weddings, your guests will never forget. I guarantee you that. You can find me on all my social medias, Father Evil, fatherevil.com. You can see right there. And on every social media, it's Father Evil on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
So we can get our vows renewed by
Yes, you can. Yes,
was
you
thinking
can.
that.
Actually, take my card. My website is on there.
Oh.
I only do it through the website.
Okay.
I gotta keep it business-wise, folks.
Yes. Yes. Well,
In hell, we're organized.
I love it. What was
They're hell organized.
Yeah, hello, there you go. Hey, Ron made a funny.
Well, it was so nice to meet you. Thank you for
Pleasure.
spending time with us. We will definitely be in contact with
Folks,
you.
don't ever look too far from me. In fact, I'm under your bed.
Well, I'm gonna get out of here because I see something bad about to go down.
Bye-bye, Jen.
He leaves me again every time I go. Guys, we're here with an amazing artist. We're gonna let him introduce himself, and we're gonna check out some of his art because he truly is amazing.
Hi, I'm Robert Lidkey, otherwise known as Bob the Artist, and I've been doing convention-style artwork, prints, posters, 3D art now for the better part of a couple decades. And I'm here this weekend at, where are we at? Texas Frightmare Weekend, yes, in Dallas.
Yes, Texas Frightmare Weekend. This is our first time here, so we are excited, and we're happy to finally meet you.
Yeah, well, I'm glad to meet you also. If you've never been here, it is one of the best horror-themed conventions around the country. There are a handful of real big ones. This is one you got to try to get to sooner or later.
And it's a 3-day event, and truly, the cosplay, right? Cosplay is like mind-blowing. The artists like yourself, you got some of the best artists in the world here.
Hold on, let me stop for a second. Let me show you some of this stuff really quick. And if you notice, as we go past, it's going to change. I'm not going to give it away, but look at that. This is amazing. And he's got this 3D work here that's just mind-blowing. Like, man, this is so good. Oh, you're looking at Jack Nicholson?
I am blown away by this. I saw it earlier, but he was so busy, so I didn't want to come and say hi and interrupt him. But this is something that I would take home tomorrow. I'm actually going to find out if he can actually ship this, because I am truly in love with this. I've never seen anything like this. Do you also ship?
You can get any of the works you see here at my website, bobtheartist.com. It's the exclusive home for my artwork on the internet.
Awesome. So check him out. And if you liked anything we showed, or go to the website and find something, because this man does amazing, world-class level work. I want to be like him when I grow up. We're here at Frankenplush, and look at this. Look at these, all these. Man, this is amazing. The Scarecrow is, look, I'm in love. I'm truly in love. This would be amazing piranha plant. And maybe have little Mario on top, like,
Coming out of the pipe.
Yeah, or something. Any of that, coming out the pipe, whatever. This would all be amazing. Look at this. So, shout out to Frankenplush. You can check them out on social media, I'm sure. Oh, that is so cool. And they even got the Oogie Boogie Shake.
Texas guys, welcome to Juliette Lewis!
Fan of like all your other stuff that's not your horror stuff, like August Osage County, What's Eating Gilbert Grape. I was just wondering, do you have a preferred genre that you like performing in? Do you prefer horror or comedy, dark comedy, or drama? What's your favorite like genre to perform?
Well, if you notice, like I always, for whatever reason, I guess maybe my dad influenced me. I just love characters. So I love, like after Natural Born Killers, I did a Nora Ephron comedy with Steve Martin and Adam Sandler that no one really saw called Mixed Nuts. And so that's because I wanted to follow that intensity of the comedy. I just like to do what I haven't done. That's all I'm looking for.
So I have a request, if you would bestow that honor upon us. Would you please sing the iconic lyric from Born Bad? I
Born bad. Wait. I guess I was born, naturally born, born bad.
Can I give you my horns from yesterday?
In real life,
Like
they're
right now,
so
yeah.
great.
I'm leaving, so
Do you see her horns, guys?
You're gonna have to swap the the ears off the horns.
Thank you. All right.
So cool.
Thank you so much.
So we only got a few minutes left, but I don't want to cut anyone off, so if we could just rapid fire.
Okay,
these.
I'll try to be quick too.
We're leaving the Juliette Lewis panel, and you just saw the crowd. That was crazy. How many people came to see Juliette Lewis? But hey, when you're a superstar like she is, one of my favorite movies of all time is Natural Born Killers. That's legit. You can ask my wife. So for me, that was a treat. And the amount of questions about Mallory, that was truly a treat for me. I know my wife loves National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
That is a movie that, as she said in the panel, that's watched year after year after year. That was one of my childhood favorite movies and still is. Also another one we used to watch in English class a lot, What's Eating Gilbert Grape. That was another one of my favorite movies. Also Cape Fear. She was in so many amazing movies. Yellow Jacket. I mean, truly everything she does is good and amazing. And what's awesome is that everyone that came here to see her, that met her here today, said she's the most humble, genuine human being. And you could see, like, she was just so cool.
By the way, I just got a duck from her. I'm a little scared because, you know, this is a cute little duck.
That's so cool.
It came from
What
this
day is it, do you know?
clown here. She ain't ducking around.
Also, we want to mention that part of Thrasher's Slasher's Scare Park, the Halloween Takeover event coming soon in Alliance Skate Park. Ooh, October, guys. I think we might have to check this out too. That's awesome.
See ya.
Hello, I am Godrina. I am the mother of Betty the Belle.
So guys, that's the end of our 3 days here in Irving, Texas at the Convention Center of Texas Frightmare Weekend.
2024.
2024, baby. We're heading off to the airport. We're going back to our city of New Orleans. Guys, if you have not watched us before, we have a positive YouTube channel based out of New Orleans. We show you why we love our amazing city. We also show you all the beautiful people in it. It has been an honor to be here at this convention. A big, big thank you to the convention for Texas Frightmare Weekend for inviting us out. It was truly an honor to be here. We have never been to anything like this. We can see why this is rated the top of the horror conventions in the nation. Cosplay was insane. Every time you turn around, you think you've seen it all. Oh no. I mean, as you see some of our shorts on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook, our Instagram, I posted some stuff. I mean, it's truly amazing. Every cosplayer was amazing. Every vendor, every artist, every guest. Truly, you guys made our video. We can't thank you enough to everyone that was part of our video, and thank you again to Texas Frightmare Weekend. We can't wait to hopefully be back next year with you all. Also, if you've never watched us before, we do a lot of the haunted houses in Louisiana, and we also travel too. If you love Halloween, you love spooky season, Team AJ loves it just as much as you do. So check us out on all our social media. So check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, every social media platform. We hope to see you on there as well. We appreciate you. We love you. We can't do this channel without you. So thank you, Texas Frightmare Weekend, for one of the most amazing horror conventions we've ever experienced. And thank you to Dark Hour Haunted House. Thank you to all the guests. Thank you to all the cosplayers. You guys were truly amazing. So guys, we're gonna see you back in our city of New Orleans, and we plan on being back to Texas very, very soon to bring you some more amazing Halloween events. So my husband's gonna say,
Laissez les bons rouler.
let the good times roll.
Fucking a prime time.
Cheers to Texas Frightmare and an awesome trip.
It was. And we're back to New Orleans, and we can't wait to see you all soon. We miss you. Right above here, we're going to list our Halloween playlist for all you spooky fanatics like us that love their haunted houses, love the horror conventions. love everything spooky, or love everything about Halloween, check that out. We appreciate you.